What up, guys? This is Pastor Canavi again. We're coming up with another tutorial in C Sharp, and today we're going to talk about operators. Okay. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and like the video already right away. But anyway, so let's talk about these operators. We're going to start with the basic ones. Okay, the basic ones that you already kind of learned when you were going to in the elementary school, maybe. I don't know. I never went to school over here, so I don't know. But anyway, all right. So this is going to be the basic ones like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the module operator. Okay. Let's start. Let's do integer. Let's give it a name of x and a value of 7. 7. And then we're going to do another one. We're going to do z equals 3 semicolon. So right now we're going to do a console that right lined, and right here double quotes, and then we're going to do basic operators right here. We'll type basic operators. Okay. What the what is going on? Okay, semicolon right here, and then yeah, let's start this madness right here. Let's just do console that right line. So right here we're going to do the first operator right here. It's going to be the subtraction. No, I mean the addition. We're going to do x plus z. All right, and then semicolon, and then we're going to copy this. Let's copy that and let's paste it. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's just do minus for subtraction. Let's just do multiplication right here. Let's just do division right here, and the modular operator right here. Where is my modular operator? I don't see it. It's right here. Okay, I got it. So basically what it's going to give us right here, as you can tell, that should give us a result. Like the subtraction should give us a 10, so I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and now on the module we got 7, and modulo 3 is going to be a 1, right? Yeah, this is the remainder. Okay, let's execute the program and let's run it. Let's see it. Oh, right here. All right, basic operator. So we got 10, we got 4 right here. Okay, we got a 10. All right, 7 minus 3 is a 4, and then 7 times 3 is 21, and then division is 7 by 3, yes, it's giving us a 2, and then there's a 1 for the module operator. Okay, cool, that worked. That really worked. Okay, so that was the basic one right here. Now let's talk about uh, uh, operating orders. So what did that means? Let me just copy this part right here, and let's just paste it right there. So basically what this is, let's just declare a variable right here, and a equals to 5, and then we're going to, and with the semicolon, then we do and sub b equals to a times 3 plus 5. this type of operations right here. How does C sharp execute this? Like in this case, A is equal to 5, right? B is equals to A times 3 plus 5. So C sharp starts from left to right to do the operation. So it will start with A times 3, which is 5 times 3, which is going to be 15. Um, and no, actually, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's give it a 2, just to make okay. It's going to be 5 times 3. It's going to be 15 plus 2 is going to be 17, right? So that's the result. That's the expected result it's supposed to give us. Let's copy this part right here so we don't have to um, type it all the time. And let's just assign it to B. Let's just put the variable name right there, B, and that should give us a result. And let's see what we have. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, it gave us a 17. Oh yeah, actually I changed this. This is called operator orders. Operating orders to do this type of operations right here. Okay, cool bean, that worked. So now you know what, actually I got another example. It's a little bit more complicated just to understand how C sharp executes this. I have another one. Let's just do a int. We do a f equals to parentheses 7 modulo 3 just do times parentheses, we got 4 plus, and then parenthesis here 6 divided by 3. So how does C sharp execute this operation right here? So right here, C sharp will start inside the parentheses, where there is a parenthesis inside, like right here. 6 divided by 3 is going to be a 2, and then it's going to add to 4 is going to be a 6, and then 7 modulo 3 is going to be a 1. So the answer should be a 6, right? So let's see if we have that in here. Let's copy that in here, and let's just do F. Okay, let's run the program right here. Yeah, it should give us a 6, and we have a 6 right there. Yeah, it's working good. It's working as how we expected. So now let's talk about increment and decrement operators right here. Let's close that. Let's copy this part right here again, and let's put it a little bit down, and then let's write down here shorthand. Let's put shorthand. Let's do a comment right here, increment and decrement operators right here. So as you already know, if you already did Python, maybe JavaScript, or maybe this is your first time, how we do this, you just add to increment, let's just do X, you just do plus plus, and that should increment the number, the value of X, and then we have C, and that should decrement the value C. In this case we have 7, right? It should give us an 8, and 3 should give us a 2. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's execute that and see what it's going to give us. Let's do X, copy that, and let's do a Z. Let's execute the program. Yeah, that gave us an 8 and they give us a 2. Wow, that worked. That worked. All right. So next what we have, and also for the shorthand right here, for example, we have X. If we want to add X and X plus C, right? And let's see what we got in here. So we should give us X. Let's run it. It's a 10, right? Right here. It's a 10. Now, just to make it as a shorthand, how we can execute or do this operation right here, we can just do, let's just comment this. Let's just do X. We can use a plus equal to Z. And that should give us the same value. This is the shorthand of that. Yeah, we got 10 right there. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. I like it. Now let's talk about logic operators. Let's get this part right here. Copy and paste it. And let's change here. Logic operators. So when do we use logic operators and why do we use logic operators? When your program needs to do decisions or check certain conditions, like these operators, usually they're going to give you Boolean results. For example, right? Let's do the following example right here. Console, the right line, parentheses, we have X greater than C, right? And I'm going to use the emp and then Z greater than 5. What do you think right here? So if this is true, it will give us a true statement. If this is false, it will give us a false. And we know that X is 7, right? And then C is 3. And we know that 7 is greater than 3. But now, is C greater than 5? No, it's not, right? Because Z is 3 is less than 5. So it should give us a false, right? And now we can also do OR. Let's change it right here. How do we do OR? We just do double pipe. Okay. All right. So in this case for OR, if there is one true statement, it will give us true result of true volume. Okay. Okay, let's execute that and see what we got. All right, that worked. It's logic, I mean, it's not logic. But anyway, so it's false, right? That's what we got, and then true statement for the OR result. Okay, cool. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully help you in your journey in learning C#. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you next time in the next video. All right, have a good night. Okay.